With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Okay, so the given question here we have is the range of values of a for which the point a comma 4 is outside the circles. This one, x square plus y square plus 10x equals to 0 and x square plus y square minus 12x plus 20 equals to what? 0. Okay, so we have to find the range of values of a possible. So first of all, we know that this is my solution part here. So what we can do first, we know that for the equation of circle, right, these are my equation of circles. My equation of circle S1 is what? Always greater than 0. Okay, why this condition follows? Because we know that equation of circle is basically x minus a whole square, right, plus in the terms of y minus b whole square, which is equals to what? Radius square. Every value is what? Having a square here. It means that every value is positive, so that's why we say S1 is what? Always greater than 0. Okay, so now first equation given to me, the circle or in the question. So what is the first equation for my circle? Basically my first equation is what? X square. Okay, x square plus y square plus 10x equals to what? 0. Okay, so I have to find the C1. This is my C1 circle equation here. For the points a comma 4 I have to check, right? For the points a comma 4, so point a comma 4, in that case if I put the value here, and we know that my S1 is what? Greater than 0. This condition follows here, so I can write here that x is what? A, so a square plus what? 4 square plus 10a should always be greater than 0. Okay, similarly I can write here that similarly for the circle equation C2 here, this is the equation C2 is what? X square plus y square minus of what? 12x plus 20 equals to 0. Also, they also lie on the point a comma 4, right? I have to find the possible ranges for a, so they should satisfy this equation here. So this equation will become what? Again I can write this equation as my x square can be written as what? A square plus what? 4 square minus of 12a, right, and plus of what? 20 equals to 0. Now what I'll do, this is equals to 0, this should be greater than 0. Exactly, this should be greater than 0, right, because we are checking for the conditions here of a. So this is greater than 0. So now first what I'll do, I'll solve C1 part. Okay, then I'll go to the C2 part. We'll go step by step. So I can write here that as this part is also greater than 0, so I can say that here my a square or a square can be written as what? A square. This can be written as what? 4 square can be written as what? Plus of 16, and this can be written as 10 of a. Okay, which is greater than 0 here. So now how can I solve this equation? Using middle term splitting. So I can write equation as a square plus of what? 8a, right, plus 2a plus 16 greater than 0. So this equation will become, this can be done as here a, I can take a common, so a plus 8, right. Now taking 2 common, so this will be what? A plus 8 greater than 0, right. So after this I can write here that a plus 8 and a plus 2 greater than 0. Okay, this is the specified condition here I have. Now this can be done as what? Here this equation can be written as a square plus of what? 16, right, plus of 16 minus of 12a and plus of 20 greater than equals to what? 0. So there this will become what? This equation will be my a square minus of 12a, okay, and then plus of 36, which is what? Greater than equals to 0. Okay, so from this, so basically this is becoming the formula for exactly perfect square my a minus 6 square, right. So I can say a minus 6 whole square is greater than equals to 0. Okay, now where I can check the values of where a exists for these two equations here. I have clearly in this equation, which one? In a plus 8 and a plus 2, I can see that what are the two roots of this equation. If I draw them on the number line, okay, on this section here I am going to have basically two roots, right, minus of 2 and minus of 8. So I can write here that first one is what? My minus of 8, another one is what? Minus of 2. And among all these values, where is the value possible for this one, which satisfies this condition, what? Greater than equals to 0 or positive value in this section, which is greater than values of minus 8, right, or we can say lesser values of minus 8. This will be a positive side, this will also be a positive side for greater values of what? Minus of 2, and this here the value will be what? Negative. So I have to consider which case? This positive case is, right, because we have to find the condition for greater than 0. So this can be done as the interval will be what? For a, or for the required condition a, will be minus 8 minus infinity to minus 8, right, and union of what? Minus 2 to positive infinity, so minus 2 to infinity, right. This is the condition here I have. Also now for this one, okay, for this section here I can see that this here is what? A minus 6 whole square. Okay, if there's a square here, so it means that a can be belongs to any real number, right. A can belongs to any real number, so I can say that a belongs to any real number. Why? Because if I put a negative value or positive value, there's a square, so basically the value will always come out as what? Positive, or we can say greater than equals to 0. So a satisfy all real values. So among these two solutions, I can clearly see that where the a satisfies, or where the point a comma 4 satisfies exactly on only this section, right, on only this section, because there's a limited section here. So this will be minus infinity to minus 8 union minus 2 to infinity is the answer we are looking for. So now if I go to the option, Which option is correct? Exactly. There is no option available to me right now. So I can see that option 1 is also not the option we are looking for. Option 2 does not exist for the 1. Option 3 is also not the same because there should be a minus of 8. So I can say that my option number 4 is the correct option we are looking for.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.